Gimlet. It's based with gin and lime cordial. So take your shaker, fill it with ice. Add 60 ml of gin. Make that 50. And 25 ml of lime cordial. And give it a nice vigorous shake. Take your cocktail glass. And give it a pour. To complete the drink, all you need is a garnish. There you go. That's a Gimlet. Cheers. Enjoy. That's amazing. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And make sure you drop me a comment below if you want to know anything special or if you want me to do anything special. And that's it for now. Cheers.